So right now we are doing the standard UV sanding primer on the particle board directly. Here's what it will look like with one coating layer, and then we are going to cure it. And that's how it looked like after cured of the first UV sanding primer, and then we're going to do it again with the second one. And for the second time, the cure speed or the cured energy is approximately the same with the first one. Okay, and that's how it looked like with two UV sanding primer. The total coating volume is about 45 grams per square meter, something like that. And then as you can see, the small gaps on the surface is still not filled completely by the UV lacquer. Yep, and that's it for the UV sanding primer. And for the next video, we are going to do it with two UV filling coatings. The coating process will be exactly the same, but with the UV filler instead of the UV sanding primer.